and today we're going to be making scrambled eggs. And I'm going to have a judge with me, my sister, Kella.
Hi, guys.
So you go sit. Okay. So first, this is where you want your parent to turn it on for medium. Mom, can you?
There you go.
There you go. So while it's cooking, you have 2 eggs or 1. Doesn't really matter. But so you have it in a bowl, just any kind of bowl. And you just crack it. All you gotta do is just come and take them out. Because you don't want any shells in there. Let's see, any more? Here's one more, and that's it. Now after that, we have to crack the other one. Or if you have that, you can just wait. There we go. And then after that, you want to see if there's any egg shells in there. Nope. And after that, you're going to mix. Right here. And then when it's all done, and then if you want to check it,
I know, but that's hot, so don't
I know.
touch it. You're using a big burner.
Gotta check and checking if it's coming to scrambled yet. Now you can wait. Still, while you're doing that, you can get your cheese and bacon together if you want to. I'm just going to add some just for a little fun. I'm gonna have it opened. And after that, I'm gonna have some cheese. Put it in the cup. You don't want too much or too little. You want to add some bacon. We're going to add a little bit more bacon. Now we're going to check it. Okay, now you can add your bacon and cheese in, or anything that you want in your eggs. And we're going to let it sit in this up, and you're going to put it on your plate that you have. And ask your parent to turn off the stove. When that's done, we're going to get a fork. And then when you're done, you will bring it over to our judge and let her taste it.
Can I have a taste?
Come, taste it.
It's good. Good job.
Thank you. And see you later. And I will see you later with more baking videos.